Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for today's video. So today I'm actually going to be meal prepping for my kids. So I love doing my breakfast and lunch meal preps, but I need to get better at meal prepping for the boys. So that's one of my New Year's resolutions, is to start getting their meals prepped and ready to go for the week. So for this week, I'm going to make them this rice and chicken patty. I'm going to make it in a muffin tin in the oven. I have the oven preheating right now to 350 degrees. But so in this rice and chicken muffin tin, it's going to have some cooked rice that I made last night. I have some canned chicken. It's going to have 3 eggs. I'm going to shred some carrots. And then I'm going to use some mozzarella cheese as well. So these are really yummy. It makes a big batch, so I'll actually freeze some of these to have these for their lunches and dinners throughout the next couple weeks. So I will get all of this put together. We'll put it in the muffin tins and get it cooking. I'll have the recipe for this in the description box if you want to make these. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to shred my carrots. So this is a little messy, kind of gets out of the bowl a little bit, but I like to shred my carrots with this cheese grater. You can use a food processor if you'd like, but I like the size that this makes, really small little shreds of the carrot. So I'm going to shred about half of a cup, and I had baby carrots on hand, so that's what I'm using for this. You can use a regular large carrot if that's what you have. So I will shred the carrot first, and then once it's ready to go, I'm going to add it into my 3 cups of cooked rice. I made brown rice last night, so that's what I'm going to use for this. So I will add my carrots in. I'm going to add canned chicken. You can also use any kind of cooked chicken, or rotisserie chicken is really great in this. I'm going to add in my mozzarella cheese. I have half of a cup, and I have 3 eggs that I have beaten. So I'm going to pour all of this into the bowl. I'm going to mix it all the way together so that all the ingredients are all the way mixed through. I'm going to break up the chicken pieces so that they're smaller, and they just shred in that. So I'm going to mix it all together before I put it into my muffin tin. I'm going to spray my muffin tin with cooking spray so that these don't stick. So I'm going to spray each cup, and then I will portion out all of the chicken and rice mixture into each muffin tin cup. And once the rice and chicken is all put in, I'm going to pat it down a little bit to make these nice and firm. Once these are all filled, I'm going to put them in the oven that I have preheated to 350, and I'm going to cook these for about 15 minutes. So these rice and chicken cups that I made in the muffin tin are all cooled, and they are ready to go. They're so delicious. The boys love having these. They're great for lunches that I pack for school, for preschool for them. Perfect for dinners. So we'll just heat these up for about 30 seconds and they are perfect. So I'm gonna store half of these in the freezer, and then the other half I'll put in a Ziploc bag and store them in the refrigerator for this week. So check the description box for the recipe if you want to make this one. They're really healthy and really delicious. Great for meal prepping for the kids. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the bell button so you get the notification each time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.